Well, hello guys, welcome back. Yes, I sound happy because brooding went off without a hitch. All the birds are healthy, they're on time with vaccination, medication, everything is on point. They're growing beautifully, they're flying around, their room is getting small for them. So we're getting ready to set up their home for the next 2 years. So this video is all about that, and then how we put them in and how they are doing. Thank you, and stay tuned. Subscribe, like, comment, and share after watching. My husband is jack of all trades. There's nothing he can do. He's the most handiest man I know. Ladies, marry yourself a handyman and your life will be so smooth. Yes, we hired some carpenters, but like Ghanaian workers, they'll come today, they don't come tomorrow, they lie, they take your money. A whole lot of wasting time. My husband's like, screw this, okay? I'm gonna get down to work. So with help of Egg Father and his workers, they put up the rest of the nets. They set up, they divided the room. We're dividing this room by 2, and this room measures 92 feet by 45. So we're dividing into 2 equal sections so we can keep this batch of 15 something on the far end and then set up the next end where we did the brooding for the next batch of birds. So he got to work with his workers and they got everything set up and ready with not a single hitch. Okay, when my husband is around, oh my gosh, like the farm will grow overnight when he comes for good. Like, I mean, he's coming. Okay, we're almost done with our house and he's gonna be here to take his business to the next level. He doesn't need anyone. He can do everything and anything. So enjoy this video as he puts the room together so we can put the birds there. So this is the second week on grower. They're eating a lot now. So we're gonna start feeding them twice a day, morning and then afternoon. And then 1 week old today. So here's the door to the coop. Today is day 1 of week 3, so we're making preparation. This is where they're gonna be. And then eventually others will be here too. So that's their setup. We're releasing them tomorrow. It'll be day 2 of week 3. Already. So they are officially 2 weeks old. They look pretty. So tomorrow we're moving them out of brooding room so they can have more space to continue their shenanigans. Okay. We're starting week 3 tomorrow. Exactly 1 week today. Beautiful. So mortality rate is at 7. 7 in 2 weeks. Not bad. Compared to hundreds and hundreds and hundreds for previous brooding. There's nothing like doing your own stuff. You know how much money you pump in, so you sacrifice to get it done. But employees, they don't care. At the end of the month, you pay them, so they do what they want. So you never really get 100%. So honey, I go to create a hole. And I wash it. I mean, you have to blog and wash it. How we? Hey, Miss Mother, what did I know? Conscience, hey, sir, what did I? So, this is where they're going to be for the next 2 years. It's set up. The doors are all ready. Sawdust. Today is the day. It's day 2 of week 3, all set up and ready for them. We're about to do this morning. Wish us luck. So this is where they will be for 2 years. Quiet, please. 2 years and over. Everything is ready. Can't jump here. Nesting box. The only thing we need to do is put black bags here. But we haven't done that yet. But we need to do it because they will start jumping here and pooping in soon. So I have to remind them to do it before we put them in today. This is the door out. This is the pathway they will put the eggs. So no chickens are allowed. And this is all done by my husband and one of his workers, DIY. He did almost everything. We got carpenters to do this, but they were wasting time. They'll come today, they don't come. So he did the rest of the netting and all the doors. Daddy did it, guys. He did all the doors. Do yourself, DIY. He did the netting with the help of Egg Father. Created these doors by himself. There's one here and one here. So we obviously have to clean up here and then set up this section for the next batch of layers. Once we take them out of the brooding room today, we're knocking everything down, cleaning here, and then set this up for our next birds. Closing up the nesting box so they don't get in there and poop in there till they're ready to lay. Because they're only like, this is their 3rd week, so. But this is already ready, so we're covering it so they don't get in and mess it up before it's time. And when they're ready to lay, we're gonna have a bag like this, but except black bag, so it's nice and dark in there. Welcome to your new home. For the next 2 years, that's where they're gonna live. Drink, eat, poop. No, you're not coming. Don't touch them. You go eat. Natalia, don't lean on that, please. They came back. Don't worry. They've been in the dark, so they're a bit confused. They'll be okay.
Mommy, I'm getting them.
There's so many feeders, but they haven't discovered it. So right now, no. So right now they're just fighting over this feeder. Yes.
It has its own feet. Time to separate, you guys.
Gently.
Let them have it.
But let them eat. Let them eat actually.
Mom, they have to have their own feet.
See, now they're beginning to look through the sawdust. So they're getting comfortable. They're looking for feed.
The French teacher is gonna call you cow.
Ay, con foodiens. For some reason, they just want to be on the lower half of the pen. They don't go there. So I'm trying to get them to spread out. They all bunch up here. Right now, it looks like it's too big for them, but they will grow. So see, oh my goodness, they went back that way. They went back that way. You push them out and then they end up bunching up here again. I can't be bothered. My brum, I. Well, that's it in a nutshell. My birds are in their new home. They are thriving. They're getting used to their new house. Everything is okay. We're still giving them their vaccination medication. In fact, they're getting their second gumboro on Tuesday. So far, so good, okay? I'll keep you updated as they grow. And of course, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestions, you're welcome. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for your support and love. I appreciate it more than you know. And as always, smile. See miracles in life every day. Bye, guys. I can't be bothered. My brum, I.